Hi guys, welcome to the new video. So today we'll discuss one of the most important topic that is generally asked in the interview is about storage services in cloud. So today we'll discuss about storage services in AWS. So they generally ask that have you worked on storage services? And if you have worked on, then what all storage services you have worked on, or do you know about EFS, S3, or EBS? Okay, but today we'll pick up EFS. So EFS is Elastic File System. In AWS, EFS is a service which is regionally available. Like we can mount this storage with multiple number of instances in multiple AZs, correct? Like if in a region there are multiple like availability zones, and the instance are present in different availability zones, we can share a share one EFS for all those. And EFS is something like if some file is present in EFS, then on every instance, if we will list down the files of that EFS, we'll see the same number of files. So EFS is a shared file system. So if suppose for example we have one use case where we have to download a particular um, application, and it is stored as a zip file, software or something, and it is stored as a zip file um, on every instance. So we have to download it on every instance. Instead of that, we can place this on an EFS, and from there we can pull and we can use that file. So this is the use case of EFS. Like we can use it to store something which we can use it in multiple servers. And also this EFS, when we create EFS, and within when we are creating EFS, it will ask about which VPC we want to create, which security group we want to create. And so in security group we have to add a protocol which is NFS protocol we have to add. After that we have to mention that do we need a backup for this, like if backup should be created of the files which are stored in this EFS, or lifecycle manager it will be there. Like if it we want that after 60 days these files should move in like glacier or something, some other storage in standard or S3, deep glacier or something like this. We can mention, we can choose the lifecycle manager too. Then we can choose how it will be. It will be high IOPS means input output performance should be good. Like there can be many requests, multiple requests in a minute, so it should be like that, or it should be so like this we can choose our options and we can create an EFS, and then we can mount it on our servers. One limitation that we have of EFS that it can be mounted on only Linux servers, not on Windows. It doesn't works on Windows. So basically, when after that, once our servers are created, our EFS is created, we have to mount this EFS on those servers. So for that we have a particular, we have to first download the Amazon EFS utilities. After that there we have a command to mount our EFS server, and once we mount it we can use this EFS server for storing the files which are common and which can be shared among multiple instances. So basically these questions can be asked that is EFS can be replicated in different regions in AWS. So yes, now the now this has came cross replication of the files which are stored in EFS. We can do that. So yeah, we can do that. But EFS is not a global service, it is a region specific service. And so basically this is something that should be kept in mind. And also I want to highlight it again that EFS can only be mounted on Linux servers, not on Windows server. And the advantages are there ki it is dynamic scaling. Like it will scale its storage according to the files that we have kept, we are deleting. So we don't have to do like increase the space or something like that. It will scale dynamically. And of course it is fully managed, so we don't have to worry about that too. And of course it is a shared file system, so the files that are stored in EFS can be like accessed from different servers, and in different availability zone also. And of course if we need it in different region too, that also it is possible now due to cross replication. We can do that, we can copy that and we can use it. So basically these are some of the features of EFS. And so yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope that the this storage service EFS is clear to every one of you. And if you have any doubts, please comment down, I'll be happy to answer. So yeah, that's all. Bye.